Slope predictions is another powerful tool offered by Lotto Chart. In many cases, the slope of a line will repeat across different drawings, giving you a way to forecast potential future outcomes. By studying these repeating patterns, you can start to recognize when a slope might show up again in a future drawing. That's where the slope prediction report comes in. It highlights previously successful slope predictions, so you can spot patterns that work and use them to guide your next move. Drawing date is the date of the target drawing. From is the date of the first point where the line starts. To is the date of the second point where the line crosses. When you connect the from and to dates on the chart, a line is generated, often with a slope that closely matches or even mirrors the slope from the drawing date. Delta is the difference between the predicted drawing and the actual drawing result. Accuracy shows the percentage of how close the prediction was to the actual result. Prediction is the forecasted prediction generated from the slope of the line. Now let's explore a few examples from this report. We see that the slope from March 23rd to March 24th predicted the win for April 1st. Back in Lotto Chart, we'll switch to line mode and select March 23rd and March 24th. We see that the slope for this line exactly matches the slope of the line for the drawing on April 1st. Had we logged into Lotto Chart on March 31st and selected the points on March 23rd and March 24th, then created a slope, we would have generated a successful prediction for April 1st. In another example, we'll connect March 16th to March 17th. Had we used the slope tool with the draw range tool, we would have made another successful prediction on March 24th. The slope prediction report is a powerful tool for identifying which types of slopes perform best in your game. By studying this report and experimenting with different slopes in future drawings, you'll increase your chances of finding patterns that lead to winning predictions. We encourage you to explore, test, and refine your approach, because the right slope could be the key to your next big win.